My name's Taylor Richardson. I graduated from the comm school in 2013. Currently in Atlanta, I am a surgery center operations strategist for Peachtree Orthopedics and a co-founder of Crosby by Molly Birch, a fashion line based in Atlanta. I think my passion and my motivation comes from helping others, working with others. That being said, McIntire showed me a whole new world of business when you go through your corporate social responsibility portion of ICE. It may seem a bit fluffy when you're reading stories about it, but I think McIntire does a very good job of pulling out the key concepts and why it's better to have a mutually beneficial relationship with your vendors or your suppliers versus just a take and give situation. I think what really drives me with the Crosby aspect, yes, there's the energy of the startup, but I think the company has true potential to make a change with our mission statement, and part of that is shine your bright. So Crosby seeks to partner and help organizations that combat sex trafficking. And so we've partnered closely with Wellspring Living, an organization in Atlanta that supports victims who have been rescued from sex trafficking. So Molly will design a print, and part of those proceeds from that print will go back directly to Wellspring. It would have been difficult to just start a business that made clothes and sold clothes and that's it. So we were able to structure Crosby into an organization that has a bigger cause that does help others. End of second year when applying to McIntire, it almost felt as a cop-out. I don't know what I want to focus on, so I'm going to do business because it's useful in everything. Thinking about my perspective as a second year to now, I couldn't be more thankful that I kind of focused on business because it's inherent no matter what you're doing. Starting a fashion company, I had no retail experience but was able to kind of ground myself in the key business learnings that McIntire taught me, and it traveled a lot further than I realized. I couldn't imagine not having that background coming out of UVA.